The binomial expansion, binomial theorem, example 1. Write down the first three of the last and the last two terms of the expression of 2x plus 1 over x all to the power of 12. Do not simplify your answer. So, let me rewrite this. 2x plus 1 over x all to the power of 12. So, you see that this term here is our a, and this term should be our b. We have a plus b to the power of 12. Now, once you have a plus b to the power of 12, you know that you start with the first term as 12 choose 0 times a to the power of 12 times b to the power of 0. So this is the first term. Then you need the first three actually, so let me write the second. 12 choose 1 times a to the power of 11 times b to the power of 1, and the third one would be 12 choose 2 times a to the power of 10 times b to the power of 2. So you see that the powers of a decrease by 1, 12, 11, 10. Powers of b increase by 1 from 0, 0, 1, 2. So these are the three first terms. Then plus, etc. Plus, and now we need the last two terms. So actually, since there are altogether 13 terms, we need the 12th and the 13th. Okay, so the 12th term, which is 11 plus 1th term, will have 12 choose 11 times a to the power of 12 minus 11, so it's 1, times b to the power of 11, plus, and the last term will have 12 choose 12 times a to the power of 0 times b to the power of 12. So this is a general thing, and now we need to use a and b in these particular expressions for a and b to write it down. So, in our situation here, 2x plus 1 over x to the power of 12 is nothing else than 12 choose 0 times 2x to the power of 12 times 1 over x to the power of 0 plus 12 choose 1, so this is the second term, a, which is 2x to the power of 11 times 1 over x to the power of 1, plus the third term, 12 choose 2 times a to the power of, well, but 2x to the power of 10 times 1 over x to the power of 2, plus, etc. Now, the penultimate term, 12 choose 11 times 2x to the power of 1 times 1 over x to the power of 11 plus the last term 12 over 12 times 2x to the power of 0, we don't need to write that of course, times 1 over x to the power of 12. Okay, you may have noticed that in your textbook the authors decided not to include 12 choose 0 because it's 1, and not to include b to the power of 0 because it's just 1 also. And also here 12 choose 12 is 1, so it's usually not included. So the combinatorial numbers are not included usually in the first and last term of the expansion, but I include them here for clarity. So that's the answer to this exercise.